What is mitosis, and why is it absolutely essential for life as we know it? Every second, millions of cells in your body are dividing. This nonstop process allows you to grow, heal wounds, and replace old or damaged cells. The driving force behind all of this is mitosis, a fundamental process of cell division that keeps living organisms functioning. Mitosis is the stage of the cell cycle where one parent cell divides to produce two genetically identical daughter cells. These new cells contain the same DNA as the original cell, ensuring genetic consistency throughout the body. Without mitosis, growth and tissue repair would be impossible. Before mitosis begins, the cell copies its DNA during a phase called interphase. Once the genetic material is duplicated, mitosis starts and unfolds in four main stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. During prophase, the chromosomes condense and become visible, while the nuclear membrane begins to break down. In metaphase, chromosomes line up neatly along the center of the cell, preparing for separation. Anaphase follows, where sister chromatids are pulled apart to opposite sides of the cell. Finally, in telophase, new nuclear membranes form around each set of chromosomes, creating two distinct nuclei. After mitosis, the cell undergoes cytokinesis, where the cytoplasm divides, resulting in two fully independent cells. Mitosis plays a critical role in growth, development, and maintenance in multicellular organisms. It allows skin to regenerate, bones to heal, and organs to maintain their structure. Even in single-celled organisms, mitosis enables asexual reproduction. However, when mitosis goes wrong, serious problems can occur. Uncontrolled cell division is a hallmark of cancer, highlighting just how important proper regulation of mitosis is for survival. In simple terms, mitosis is life's way of copying itself, precisely, efficiently, and constantly. It is one of the most important biological processes on Earth, quietly working behind the scenes to keep every living organism alive.